In our engagement, the urgent imperative to create employment and training opportunities in Kenya through this investment emerged as the foremost shared priority in line with the digital superhighway and creative economy pillar of our plan. Accordingly, the potential is immense. Amazon Web Services is not just about mere presence in the regional market. It is intentional about elevating its corporate citizenship credentials through its support for robust framework to anchor optimal interactions between government, clients, startups, and other partners. For example, through its infrastructures, first, AWS, age, location, and then AWS local zones, and later AWS outposts. Amazon has ensured that users, both in metropolitan areas as well as those further afield, experience connectivity with maximum efficiency and minimum delay. And I must congratulate Amazon for this achievement. This commitment to the infrastructures of connectivity has proved critical, not only because Amazon is undertaking transformational interventions in the fields of health, education, and training, as well as digital jobs and self-employment opportunities, but it is also committed to do so in a very inclusive manner that leaves no one behind. By collaborating with various government ministries, AWS has been able to deliver unique and game-changing solutions in various sectors. Let me give you an example. With the ministries of ICT and health, it developed and hosted a cloud-based data application, the Center for Epidemiology Modeling and Analysis, which used data to contain the spread of COVID-19 in Kenya. Together with universities and technical vocational education training institutions, AWS has been able to implement free, ready-to-teach cloud computing curriculums to enable students prepare for required AWS certification and jobs that are in demand throughout the industry. And I encourage you to work, as I told Njiru earlier, that because we have, by your own admission, some of the best human capital anywhere in the world, the best way we can make this human capital available, both to the tech community, locally and globally, is to work with us in the training to refine our human talent in making sure that we get certification. And we will do our part as government to make sure that we channel more STEM students into our TVETs and into our universities so that we can leverage on the training that you provide in the training and the partnership that you have with our universities to get many more engineers. I am very proud that the first 50 engineers will be hired by AWS in Kenya, and we are looking at the days when we will have 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 engineers here in Kenya. Similarly, Njiru told me earlier, the AWS Restart, a 12-week program to prepare unemployed or underemployed people for careers in cloud computing, has partnered with Ajira, eMobilis, and Get Innotized to empower hundreds of young people across Kenya, including those living in the refugee camps, I was told, both in Dadaab and in Kakuma. So congratulations again for looking out for people who ordinarily are excluded, especially the children who are in our refugee camps. In the fields of health, I must recognize the unique and transformational pathway made possible by AWS. An Amazon client has piloted its health application locally by leveraging AWS cloud credits in order to provide text-based follow-up support for cancer patients by connecting oncologists at the Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital in Kisumu in a partnership with the county government of Kisumu that now serves over 5,000 patients. This would not have been possible. Just the sheer level of infrastructure required to deliver this would not have been possible without cloud computing and without Amazon. So again, you are making us proud.